Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So recently one of my friend was trying to find a job and he realized that all these companies use these annoying ATS systems, application tracking system actually. And these systems are so bloat, like these websites are so slow and these forms are so ugly and he just have to, spend time filling up same information again and again, his name, his, experience and how much salary is expecting and all these things. So what I did is, and not just this, all right, okay, internet is just bloat. It's because of corporations and there are so many ugly forms, like everything is just about data collection of user. So what I did is I wrote a program which is actually going to make this hardship much easier. Actually, it's just an add-on. Actually, he used lots of tricks in order to get job. I can't share these tricks, but really, like he's really creative. Like he have done a lot of great automation in his life. But let me show you like what my program is doing. So I just created this last weekend, and I need to open like about debugging, and I think there have to be some system to. Okay, so this is this extension. Okay, I made this extension intelligent form filler, and let me show you some examples. So I have some examples already prepared. Yeah, job links. So for example, this is a link of a, some ATS maybe, or some, basically some job posting. Okay, if you want to apply, then this is the form which you have to fill. So what I can do now is intelligent form filler and just click here, auto form fill, and it will automatically fill this form, hopefully. All right, it just filled. Okay, and I have been testing this for okay, this number is wrong. All right, so I have been testing this thing for very long, and it is working so fine. And I tried it with so many different types of forms, and it is so intelligent. Look at this. I mean, okay, obviously it's LLM going on inside, and I am using some AI. Okay, these days I'm only doing AI based projects. It's just some personal project. I am using Gemini key for my POC, but I am also trying to integrate Olama API and running my local model. I just don't have PC or enough resources. So see this. For example, I am uploading my resume here because it is asking. Okay, this extension can't upload, and I will tell you like how this thing is working. It's so all right. We are someone who like tech, and we want to discuss how tech is what's inside. Okay, so let's just fill this. Okay, it automatically filled some information from resume. This is not very common. Some people are doing this, but see, it is selecting everything smartly. Okay, this is AI era we are in. Okay, so look at this. It is also, selecting my mail and, raised decline to self-identify. And this is so interesting because, Gemini decided that, okay, I gave this system prompt where I said, try to increase my chances of getting hired. So it is refusing to tell race. You see what Gemini is doing there. Yeah, I was having this discussion with my friend, and I'm like, just because AI don't say things, it doesn't mean it does not know things. Okay, it's not stupid. It knows. Okay, it know everything. It just don't do racism, but it's not like it's not racist. Okay, just kidding. So it's so pretty. Like you just have to do one click and it automatically detect like what it's asking and just write on your behalf. And I just self-made it, and I can just use some other model, like some local model Olama, and then it's a FOSS tool. Because apparently, even though I am completely, like, I rejected a really flashy career because of all this FOSS thing, people are still not happy. They are getting pissed if I just use one Gemini key in some POC of my program. Like, what you want me to do? Just use my 8 GB RAM and 2 GB VRAM and run like some really high-end model in it. As a small language model is just bullshit. I tried it. It is only good for some stupid rack system. That's it. Whatever. Okay, so how this thing is working. So if I click on this in, this form automation extension here, you can see I have this button like copy optimize HTML. So I have spent some time thinking about it. What I did is I used these form tags. So if you go to inspect, I am pretty sure there have to be some form tag. And so first what I did is I picked all the HTML and I sent it to my backend. Okay. So this is the backend and it just receive all the HTML and it just throws it in Gemini. And then it also throws one system prompt, which is this one. Your intelligent assistant generate JavaScript code, and it generates a JavaScript code. Okay. It generates a JavaScript code which basically fills the form. Let me just show you. I'm thinking to, let's try showing you. So if I open like main.py, I'm pretty sure that there have to be some JavaScript getting generated. Yeah, generated JavaScript. All right. And let's just print it. Print generated yes. And let's try to rerun this program. So it used JavaScript, AI generated JavaScript script, which just get executed by my extension in front end. Let's just see how it works. Let me again do this and use my AI. And this time, all right, copy. So about this optimized HTML, okay, it is finished. But you see there is this JavaScript which got generated. All right, and that's it. So it just if I again open this link, uh, so I spent some time thinking. Okay, I just like doing such things. It's like some intellectual pleasure I get. Even though I'm anti-tech, I love tech, and I don't know. It's just weird. So see, I just ran this and it just filled my form. Okay, and now it have some annoying things going on. If the form is built with some React library or something stupid, it's rare. Okay, it works for many area in many areas. Look, I think I missed the cover letter to fill whatever. So then I realized, wait a second, I realized that it's so much HTML, especially on bloated side. Okay, so sending all this to Gemini, it's going to take so much tokens, and it's so I just can't handle even thinking about this. Okay, so what I did is, since this is an smart extension, it used some front-end JavaScript to optimize the HTML. So let me show you what optimized HTML look like. Okay, blah blah dot HTML. So let me just save it and let me open it, blah blah HTML. So see, this is what my extension fetches out from this form. Okay, so it basically removes all stupid tags. It only keeps like input tag and the labels. Okay, and okay, it's smart. All right, it's not just keeping the label. If there is any information which tells AI about what this input tag is about, it also somehow understands it. Not somehow, it basically removes all these junk, except input, all right, except the any input form based form related HTML tag. It just remove every other tag. So if there is some like a div or some paragraph inside, okay, it will receive the, okay, for what, just do reverse engineering, whatever. So that's it, that's my extension. And if you want to use this, just don't tell a lot of people about it, otherwise you're going to get competition. You can use like formsys.ai. This is on GitHub, and again, like, there is, just go use it. All right, so you can use like, if you can code, just code like Olama and make it faster. But right now it's POC, I'm just using Gemini. By the way, if you want to change portfolio, so it used this portfolio.txt, and this is where you just have to change your information. So this is my information. I tweaked it a little, so you don't know a lot about me. Yeah, you already know a lot about me. So yeah, just change this information and just instruct a little bit, like, okay, try to increase my chances. And if you just want to give the race, then also give the race. If your race is more likely to get selected in some job, and it's not just job related, you can even just have it in your browser, and every time you just see some ugly form with so many information asking same thing, like your like identification number or something, you can just save it. And all right, that's it. That's my video. Thanks for watching. All right, I'm making some more AI programs, so you are going to see soon. Thanks for watching.